It was a day of accolades and tribute as the Nigerian Bar Association of Nigeria, Ijebu Ode branch, organized a special sit-in to honor a departed learned colleague, late barrister Adegbenga Ogunba, who died in Ijebu Ode recently. Anthony Ganduni was at the Ijebu Ode Bar Center, venue of the special sit-in, and now reports.
The special sitting held at Bar Mofin Adedeji Bar Secretariat Ijebu Ode, organized by Ijebu Ode branch of the Nigerian Bar Association, was to say goodbye to one of their own, a learned colleague, Barrister Adegbenga Ogunba. In attendance were members of both the bar and the bench, as well as families and friends of the deceased. In their separate tributes, the Chief Judge of Ogun State, Justice Modupe Dipeolu, the presiding judge, Ogun State High Court, Ijebu Ode Division, Justice Catherine Ogunsanya, and the chairman, MBA, Ijebu Ode branch, who is also the host, Professor Fasi Yusuf, described late barrister Adegbenga Ogunba as an exemplary bar leader whose commitment to the ideals of justice, integrity, and professional excellence stood him out amongst his peers.
Ogunba Esquire is a gentleman first, before he's a lawyer. Many of us knew him on diverse sides. But professionally, I want to say that he was diligent. He did his job, and is a credit to this profession.
He was a strong advocate for justice, human rights, rule of law, ethical values, and impeccable character. His contributions to the development of Nigerian law and jurisprudence are immeasurable.
Other members of the bar and bench, both young and old, pointed out that Ogunba's legacy will live on through the countless lives he touched and the values he embodied in the law profession.
Mr. Ogunba was skillful in his work. He considered my step and stay back in Ogun State. He will forever be missed.
Apart from being colleagues, we were like brothers.
He was so accommodating, he was so friendly, and he was always full of wisdom. He was not a strategist.
Speaking on behalf of Ogunba family, the senior advocate of Nigeria, Barrister Kunle Ogunba, appreciates those who came to honor his younger brother and as well commended MBA Ijebu Ode for the honor done on the late jurists.
I'm happy and glad that what he conceived, even though on a different location, has happened now, and we are holding this event in his memory. May his soul rest in perfect peace.
Late Barrister Adegbenga Ogunba, a former chairman, MBA Ijebu Ode branch, died at the age of 65 years after a brief illness. In Ijebu Ode, Anthony Ganduni, NTA News.